Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm gonna show you how to make this really awesome drip effect in Adobe Photoshop. Let's jump right into it. Now to create the drip effect that you see in the thumbnail, I'm gonna paste in this drip that I made using the brush tool, but you can find so many of these pre-made ones online. You can just try and Google free PNG drip and you'll get so many images looking sort of like this. So this is the effect I want to apply to my window. Command T, I'm going to resize it properly to the size of the window. Okay. I'm now going to press I on your keyboard and select the colors you want your drip effect to be in. I'm going to copy the color that I sampled. Double click, color overlay. Click here and paste the color code that you just copied. Press OK. What you want to do now is add your highlights and your shadows. So I'll make a new layer. Command and click on the icon of your drip effect to select it. Make sure your top layer is selected now. Double click here and choose white for your highlights or just a light color. I'm going to resize my brush. And I'll choose a soft one, not a hard brush. And basically, I'm just going to paint the highlights on the left side, kind of like this. All right, Command D to deselect. We're going to change the blending mode to something like soft light and lower the opacity a little bit. Now we're going to do the same thing for the shadows. So add a new layer, command and click on the drip icon, and then select a dark color or black for the shadows and paint. This time I'm going to paint on the other side. Command D to deselect and change blending mode. This time to something like, still probably with soft light again. Lower the opacity again. What we want to do now is try and make it blend in a little better. So we're gonna group our 3 layers of our drip. We're gonna Command J and duplicate them. Right click, merge group, and we can hide this layer for now, just in case we have to go back and edit something. What we're gonna do is we are going to grab our brush tool and on a new layer, with our soft brush, we are going to paint a little over it so that we don't get this rough line, but this soft brush effect. So here as well, it'll just make it look more realistic. Then we're going to do the same thing with the black lines. So we're going to select our background image, select our line, Command J to duplicate our line on a new layer, and then drag that layer on top of everything. Now we can click and drag it downwards. We can press Command T to transform and stretch it a little bit, all the way to the end. Right, so over here. After that, we can fix it by erasing the excess parts. And we can do that precisely by Command and click on your drip. Shift Command I to invert the selection. Now grab the eraser tool. Just erase and it'll automatically erase whatever is left outside of the drip effect. Look at how more realistic that looks. It's pretty cool. Keep doing that till you finish all your detail and you'll have a really awesome drip effect. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe. Also comment what you'd like to see next. Follow me on Instagram, on TikTok, where I post shorter versions of these same tutorials. Be sure to check my website out, where I have some prints available and these really cool hats and some other clothing items. I'll see you tomorrow.